Make a conversation. Ruth and Pam are telling you about the space race. Write your responses in your workbook.
We were reading about the space race on the internet. For a while, in 1957, people were worried about what the military leaders in the Soviet Union would do. Everyone was afraid that they would be able to use rockets to send nuclear bombs anywhere in the world. If they could send something into orbit, they could also bomb cities. No, they weren't very far behind. They launched Explorer 1 just about 4 months later. Both countries wanted to be able to put a person on the moon. This would show the world who was the best. Would you want to go to the moon?
Press pause while you write in your workbook. Why? What were they worried about? Sputnik 1 and 2 didn't carry any bombs or anything like that. The Americans weren't very far behind, though, were they? Yes, I'd like to go to the moon. No, I wouldn't like to go to the moon. Both the United States and the Soviet Union launched many rockets to learn about space. They found that there were many dangers. Some of the launches were spectacular failures. Both countries sent animals into space: dogs, turtles, and monkeys. This was to see if living creatures could survive such a rocket flight. Manned flight was extremely dangerous. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin was the first human being to travel through space in an Earth orbit. He made one orbit around the Earth, lasting 108 minutes. His first message to Earth was, "I see the Earth. It's beautiful." When he landed, he praised the government of the Soviet Union as being the organizer of all our victories. On May 5, 1961, just 23 days later, Alan Shepard made a suborbital flight for the United States. The flight was only 15 minutes in length, but they were able to test many of their systems. The following year, on February 20th, 1962, John Glenn successfully orbited the Earth 3 times. In 1962, this was a real achievement. They were able to place a living person into Earth orbit, have him travel around the Earth 3 times, and then land in an ocean safely in a place where Navy ships could find him.